Why do people think holding their breath or pinching their nose is the best way to stop a sneeze, when that can actually make it more uncomfortable? Most people think sneezes are unstoppable once they start building, but that's not totally true. You see, a sneeze is triggered by nerves inside your nose sending signals to your brain, and certain gentle pressure points can sometimes interrupt that signal. So what should you do? If you don't want this to happen to you, hit like, subscribe, and share this fast. Try placing a finger firmly just above your upper lip and applying light pressure for a few seconds as the sneeze builds. The takeaway is simple. Small nerve signals control big reactions, and sometimes a tiny adjustment can calm them down.